Hi, my name is Robel Nagatu, and this is my week 11 Promineo tech assignment. Our first task was to update our project's application class. As you can see here, I've added two additional options, update project details at 4 and delete a project at 5. Below here, we have added two additional cases as well for those options above. And below we have our private classes for update project details with all the information we'll be updating and how we'll be updating it, as well as our delete project private class as well. Our next step is to update our project's DAO class. As you can see here, all the way at the bottom, we've added um, public class or public classes for modify project details. Here we have set up our query, as well as added connection statements and prepared statements as well. We've lined up these parameters with our query above. And below, for similarly for delete project, we have our query above, our connection statement, and our prepared statement as well. And on our prepared statement, we were just setting one value for project ID. The last step was to update our project service class and add a public class for modify project details, as well as delete project. Now I will now I will test the application. The first step being to the first step was to update a project without selecting a project. So here I'll select 4. As you can see here, it says you are not working with a project and to re-enter menu selection. So this time I will select the project by hitting 3. Enter. Oops, sorry. As you can see here, we have our 3 projects. So the projects I'll be updating is number 1, mounted TV. As you can see here, I've selected project 1, mounted TV, to update. So now we'll select, since we have the project selected, now we will just update that project details. I'll put this to mount or add garage door, hours to 7, actual hours to 5.5, difficulty to 4, and bought garage door at Lowe's. As you can see here, our name was updated to add garage door, estimated hours to 7, actual hours to 5.5, difficulty to 4, and bought garage door at Lowe's as a notes. Next step I will be doing is deleting a project. So I will first list the projects and show them. So I will be entering 3 here to give me a list of the projects. Then the first test for the deletion was to basically attempt to delete a project that does not have a valid ID. So I'll enter 88, for example. As you can see here, there's not an option, and I was returned with an error saying project with project ID 88 does not exist. Try again. So now I will list the projects again, I will delete a project. As you can see here, I have 3 options. I'll select project 1, and that's successfully deleted. Now I will list the project to show that project 1 has been deleted. So as you can see here, we have hang a garage door and mount a mirror. That is my week 11 Promineo Tech assignment. Thank you for watching.